Do you know about AI agents trend in 2025? Have you ever wished you had a personal assistant who never sleeps, never forgets, and works 24/7? Well, in 2025, that's no longer a dream. It's reality. AI agents. These smart digital helpers are changing the way we work, live, and even think about productivity. AI agents are at the center of one of the biggest technology shifts of the decade. They're not just chatbots or apps. They're intelligent systems that can understand context, take action, and even make decisions for you. In this video, you'll learn what AI agents are, how they work, what tasks they can handle, and how they're already shaping the future of business and everyday life. What are AI agents? At their core, AI agents are software programs powered by artificial intelligence that can act on your behalf. Unlike traditional apps where you click and command, AI agents can take goals you set, like plan my week, research travel options, or draft a report, and then figure out how to get it done. They use natural language processing, machine learning, and automation to deliver results quickly and intelligently. How AI agents improve productivity. Think about how much time you spend on repetitive tasks: emails, scheduling, note-taking, research. AI agents step in to handle all of that, so you can focus on higher value work. Businesses are using them for customer service, data analysis, and workflow automation. Individuals are using them for personal organization, fitness tracking, and even financial planning. Tasks AI agents can handle. Here are just a few ways AI agents are being used in 2025. Managing calendars and scheduling meetings. Drafting emails, documents, or reports. Conducting market research or summarizing articles. Automating workflows like invoices or reminders. Personal recommendations, whether it's for books, workouts, or recipes. The key difference is that AI agents don't just respond, they take initiative. Popular AI agent tools in 2025. Some of the most talked about tools right now include AI copilots in software, task-specific AI bots for customer service, and personal AI assistants built right into your devices. Big tech companies and startups alike are racing to create the most useful AI agents. Chances are, you've already interacted with one without realizing it. How to use AI agents in your life. If you're new to AI agents, here are a few tips. Start small. Let one manage simple daily tasks like reminders or email sorting. Integrate with your calendar and productivity apps for seamless use. Experiment with personal and professional tasks to see where they save you the most time. The more you use them, the smarter and more personalized they get. So, do AI agents really matter? Absolutely. They're not just a passing trend, they're a glimpse into the future of work and life. They save time, increase efficiency, and help you focus on what actually matters. In 2025, AI agents are becoming the personal assistants we've always dreamed of. Just smarter, faster, and always available. If you're excited about the future of AI, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and drop a comment. Which task would you want an AI agent to take off your hands first?